I'm totally curious as to why it matters to you. I need a second to just kind of explain that to you, and I have one question that honestly, I could really use your help with. This is going to be a super short video because I really only have one question, and I'm really hoping that you will help me out. I'm trying to craft content that is meaningful for you, because when you take precious moments of your day to come here and watch something, I want to make sure that I'm delivering the content that you're seeking. So what exactly do I mean by that? I don't necessarily mean, I'm not really asking if you're looking for a particular technique. I'm really more looking for what you're hoping to get from a video. What are you doing here on YouTube? What are you searching for? What are you struggling with? You know, there must be some reason that you're not sitting at your craft table. Instead, you're here in YouTube. And more importantly, you are here at my channel. So I want to make sure that I'm making the best use of your time, you know, and giving you something that's entertaining or something that you want to watch, worthwhile, the value of the video. So if you could do me the biggest favor, and please take a few moments to jump down into the comments section below, and please answer that question. I'll rephrase it one more time. What specifically are you struggling with when you come to YouTube and you are searching out specific tutorials? And more importantly, when you come to my channel, what is it that you're hoping to get from a video? And did you know that a lot of times I premiere a lot of my videos? And what does that mean for you? Well, for you to get the most out of, our little community, I would love for you to join us when those do go live, because I am in the chat box. So you have a direct opportunity to ask me anything. Maybe you have a question. I would love to engage with you. I'm usually in there early, 5 to 10 minutes. So I would love for you to pop in there and join me and just kind of chit chat, and we can get to know each other. Definitely make sure that you are subscribed. And if you haven't, click that bell. It's got the little parentheses around it. That's the all. It'll be the top option. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this, as well as comment. It means the world to me. See you next time. Bye.